All right, so this we're going to do some special effects. We're going to learn how to do fire, lightning, and lasers. So the first thing we want to do is look for our let's do lightning first. We're going to look for our backdrop, and our backdrop is going to be I'm going to pick somebody like Darth Sidious. So go to Google Images, type in Darth Sidious, and then on the toolbar, tools, click on the tools, and then I'm able to get, because you got to get a nice resolution image. So go to size large. Now all these images are large. So I'm trying to find one that does not have electricity because I'm going to add electricity. So we're going to look for one that, maybe this one. And by the way, this is a thumbnail, it's a very, very tiny image. So when you click on it, this is the, what do you call it? The large image. So if you right click on the image and save image, you can save the image in your downloads or in your pictures folder. And then we are going to do this in Photopea and photopea.com. And it's like a Photoshop version. All right. So then we're going to open it, go to File, Open, and we're going to open Darth Sidious. And now I need to add the lightning. So I'm going to go online and type in lightning. And I'm going to scroll to see if I can find lightning that I like. So we're going to go with this one. So I'm going to click on the thumbnail again, and then right click on the large image and save image as, and again, save it to your pictures folder. Now we're going to go back to Photopea and then go to File, Open and Place. Open and Place. It means it's going to open it and put it in that same layers. So I'm going to select my lightning, and there it is. Now, there's under the layers tab, there is different types of blending modes. This is the normal blending mode. I have the lightning selected, and we can have, if I click on multiply, let me see, if I click on multiply, it will make the white transparent. But if I want to make black transparent, I'm going to click on screen. And there are lots of other layer blend you can play with. Go ahead and just play with a lot of these, just to get an idea of what they do. These are layer blending modes. Now you can see that there's an edge to that, so we need to clean it up. So we're going to go to Image Adjustment Level. Image Adjustment Levels. And I'm going to exaggerate the effect right now. I'm going to increase the white, grab this white thing, and you see that there's an edge right here and an edge right here, and I can see the smoke and everything. We want to make the background transparent. So, and I can still see it there. I'm going to grab the black cube and bring it in, and that kind of makes the background darker, which black makes it transparent, but the white is not. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. And then I am going to move this, the lightning, but I need to rotate it and scale it. So I'm going to go to the Edit, Free Transform. And with Free Transform, I'm able to scale it, move it, and rotate it. And the way, I'm going to hit Escape, Edit, Free Transform. As I do it again, you see when I put my icon this far away, it becomes the rotate icon. When I put it this close to the point, it becomes a scale icon. So if I move it around the outside, I can rotate it, put it right here and hit enter. There. Now I'm going to I'm going to duplicate this layer. I'm going to right click on this layer and duplicate the layer, make a copy of it. Now I can go to edit, free transform. I'm going to rotate it a little bit, move it around, just give it like that. So he's twice as much lightning coming out of his fingers. Hit enter. There you go. So that's it. That's the assignment. You can be creative. You can do Thor and maybe his hammer is got electricity coming out of it. Or I don't know, Hedgehog. I don't know what other things have lightning. Think can be creative. But remember, try to find a dark background because it doesn't work under a light background because white on white you can't see it. Okay, and so then you're going to go to File, Save as PDF. No, PSD. Sorry, PSD is Photoshop document. PDF is a portable document. Okay, so then go ahead and rename it. You can go to your what do you call it? Go to your downloads, and where is it? And right click on it, and where is it? Let me see, make it a little higher here. Right click on it, that doesn't, and then go to rename and put your last name dash first name dash lightning. Okay, hit enter. And now you can go to your Google Classroom. Let me see where the Google Classroom is. Find your Photoshop period, and then I will provide the link to submit it. Okay, you can submit your work.